Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your Trailhead playground in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to head to your Trailhead playground or account. So basically, it will be something like that. And after you connect to your playground, I mean your Trailhead account, you will need to go to any uh, challenge or to any trail where it requires a playground. For example, I have this install apps and packages in your Trailhead playground. So basically from here, you will need just to launch the playground. So you click on it and basically you will need either to create playground or you can simply connect your org. So I'm just going to click create a new one. So playful for playground, create, and from there it will start creating your playground here. And then you will need just to launch it and you will be able to connect to it. So let's just wait for the playground to be created. And then all we need to do is to launch our playground. So basically, after clicking on the launch, now we will be able to be connected to this playground. And from here, you can start learning or uh, doing whatever you are required from the playground. Also, you can simply connect your organization with your challenge and you can start doing it. So basically, those are the packages that you are required to do in this challenge, for example, and you can just connecting them into your organization if you are using it as a playground or etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.